gents, how's it going? A few hours ago I was at home in bed asleep in England, and now I'm in the south of Spain. This is going to be a crazy day, man. So I'm here with Toro Adventures, or more specifically Lyndon, who's the main man who runs the place, and these guys arrange guided tours around Spain, Morocco, all sorts of places. So right now we're in the south of Spain, and the service these guys give you is just amazing. Like, check this place out, man. This is the villa where we're staying. We're doing like a 3-day tour around the south of Spain, checking out some cool places. Got a private pool here you can check out. And yeah, so we've got the BMW GS1200s that we're heading out on. I'm here for like 3 days, so I'm going to do 3 videos, 1 video per day, and just show you guys what it's like to come on an adventure with these guys. First things first though, first time on a GS1200. Oh man, I can't wait, man. Can't wait to ride this bike. I've never ridden a 1200cc, I've never ridden a 1000cc before, and these bikes are supposed to be like the best touring bikes out there. So I'm probably just going to kind of do my first impressions, test ride of this bike, and then carry on with the day and see what we get. So the mirrors are right. Whoa, off we go. Here we go, lads. GS1200. Oh my god. First test of the day. Let's get through the Jurassic Park doors, if you could see them. Alright, so first impressions of the GS. First thing to know, obviously it's a huge bike, man. This thing weighs 260 kg, I think. So it's pretty heavy, but as Lyndon said to me just before I started riding, as soon as you're on the road with it, you can't feel the weight at all. As soon as you get moving on it, it's just super smooth, super easy to ride. You can't tell that it weighs that much. I'm normally pretty rubbish when it comes to stats, man. I normally just ride a bike and just tell you how it is to ride, but I think this time I'm gonna try and tell you guys a little bit about the bike. So obviously it's a 1200cc. This puts out around 125 brake horsepower, I think. It's got a twin boxer engine, but they've done really well with this engine. It is a beauty. I'm still getting used to riding on the wrong side of the road. Oh. It's fully decked out, man. It's got quick shifter, up and down. It's got ABS, it's got traction control, it's got riding modes, it's got keyless entry, keyless ignition, whatever you want to call it, heated grips, cruise control, got a horn. Yeah, man, it's fully decked out. It's one of those bikes that it's just got all the tricks on it. But you know what, after you get past that, it's about riding this bike, and to ride, it is an absolute beauty. Like, it's such a heavy, big bike, like I said, so you wouldn't really think it's going to be as smooth and as comfortable to ride on these kind of twisty roads and everything, but you can chuck it around just like a normal kind of like I'm riding this like I ride my FZ6, and it's just like I feel like I could even possibly be quicker on this. It's just got that kind of ease to it. And obviously the way the engine puts out its power coming out the bends, it's just beautiful. You've got that torque right there. You can be quite lazy with the gears. Even from 2000 RPM it pulls nicely. So yeah, we've headed out quite early in the morning. I'm going to get down to some proper roads, and I'll probably show you guys some footage a bit later on, where we've kind of found some cool roads and stuff, and just talk you through the experience of riding this bike. It's it's just so easy to ride, man, and with that quick shift as well, it's just beautiful when you're accelerating. Aha, love it. It's the other thing I not really talked about. Suspension on this bike is absolutely incredible. I don't know how they've done it, but it doesn't dip when you brake like harshly. It's got combined braking as well, but the front end just doesn't dip, so you don't get that weight transfer where it's like slopping around all over the place. Oh, this is a cool waterfall. Cool little fountain thing. Yeah, it's really good, the suspension on this. Super comfortable as well. I think it's Öhlins front and back. I'm not sure actually, but it's good. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, we'll lift the front wheel if you really give it some. Oh, those brakes. Amazing. I love these little towns, man. The houses are just really cool. Not what you get in Manchester, that's for sure. Wheelie road. It kind of stops it. It puts the front wheel back down. Beautiful little place. Alright gents, first uphill climb. Let's do it.
With a slope like that,
yeah,
a little bit more throttle. When you're going uphill as well, if there were bumps, absorb rather than let the bike bounce on things.
Yeah,
just absorb. So think as this is like your suspension almost go. So as you're going up, you're going like that, and the bike will do the movements underneath. You know,
yeah,
you want to be absorbing the slope.
This is interesting, man. First time off-roading. Getting a 1-to-1 tutorial session. This is pretty crazy on the GS1200. It's pretty fun once you get the hang of it. You just gotta balance the throttle with your brakes. Obviously keep the bike in check. It's about being smooth, I think. You don't want to be panicking, giving extra throttle, brake. I think that's the kind of lesson that Lyndon's been teaching me. Just let the bike do its thing. Absolutely beautiful. First time off-roading, love it, man. Completely different to riding on the road, but I mean, you get to see things that you wouldn't see otherwise, and also it's a completely different skill set that you learn in terms of riding a bike. You know, on the road you've constantly got traction. Here there ain't no traction here, man. But it's not about traction, it's about balance, it's about control, it's about smoothness, and they're really good skills to learn just as in general for biking. And then you've got this view as well, which you don't get on the road. So yeah, off-roading, thumbs up for me. Back to road riding, lads. Can you even see anything? Back on the road. There we go, guys. What an epic day. We kind of got out quite early in the morning today, headed down, went through some epic roads up into sort of valley, and then chilled up for a bit up there, came back down, literally went down the best road I've ever been on in my life. I'll probably put up a separate video about that, but it was basically the Spanish version of Stelvio's Pass. And now we're heading back home. Had a spot of lunch. So yeah, just been a crazy day, man. Just enjoying the roads. Really got used to the bike now. Yes, I want one. But yeah, been a top day out. Lyndon's been a great help, great tour guide. Also, we were having a chat at lunchtime. If anyone's interested, he is doing a Morocco tour later on in October. So if anyone's interested in that, I'll put the link in the description, because he's still got a few spaces left. So look into that if you're interested. Head out get a few friends together and head out with Toro Adventures and see where it takes you. For now, you're probably not going to be able to hear me for much longer, so I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Peace.